Hello student, in this video I explain the digestive system in ruminants. Now see, different animals have different body structures. The process of nutrition in different animals is different. That means the process of nutrition varies animals to animals. In this section we describe multicellular animals. Have you seen a cow or a buffalo chewing the grass or fodder given to them? Have you seen? We always see the animals like cow, buffalo always chew their food when they are in rest. These animals quickly eat their fodder. Then they relax leisurely. They choose what they have eaten. This act on chewing is known as chewing the food cud. Animals like sheep and deer also chew cud. All the animals who chew cud are called ruminants. That means the animals who chew the cud is called ruminants. How it is possible to a ruminant to bring the food back to the mouth from its stomach? It is a very interesting how they bag their food to their mouth. Now see, ruminants has, it shows 4 chambers. That means ruminants has 4 chambers in their stomach. Their stomach is divided into 4 chambers. First one is rumen, second is reticulum, omasum, and fourth one is abomasum. These are the chambers of their stomach. There are 4 chambers in their stomach. This is the first one: rumen, reticulum, omasum, abomasum. Such a stomach is called a compound stomach. So their stomach is called compound stomach. The food enters the first chamber, that is, when the food is entered to the rumen, this chamber is the largest. In these 2 chambers, the food is partly digested and converted into a soft fluff called the cud. When the first and second chamber, that means rumen and reticulum, when the ruminants eat the food, it goes to the rumen and reticulum. Here, partly digestion takes place and it is converted to a soft fluff called cud. When the animal is relaxing, the soft fluffy food or cud from the second chamber is brought back to the mouth. When the animal is in rest, that time the food is back to their mouth from the second chamber. It is now chewed thoroughly. It is called the chewing of the cud. The process of chewing cud is called rumination. What is rumination? The process of chewing cud is called rumination. During rumination, cud mixes with saliva and become a semi-liquid paste. When they chewing their food, it mixes with their saliva present in their mouth, and it become a semi-solid paste. Semi-solid means not solid, neither solid not liquid. That position is called semi-solid. Now, from the mouth, the food is pushed directly into their third chamber. Then the chewed food is go to directly to the third chamber. From the third chamber, the food enters the fourth chamber. In the fourth chamber, digestive juices are mixed with semi-liquid food. Here, in the fourth chamber, after chewing, the food goes to the semi-liquid paste goes to the third chamber. From the third chamber, it goes to the fourth chamber. Then here digestive juice are present in the food chamber, the digestive juice are present, and this digestive juice helps in complete digestion of the food. Digestion of food start now from the food chamber. The food enters to the small intestine. Then after digestion, the food enters the small intestine. Then from small intestine, the ruminant or their body cells absorb the nutrients. Now, there are one box. See what is here. The some definitions are given. The digestion that occurred inside the cell is called intracellular digestion. That means the digestion which takes place in the cell, in the body cell, is called intracellular digestion, and the digestion which takes place in the outside of the cell, it is called extracellular digestion. Or in more complex multicellular animals such as fish, frog, or any humans, all the steps in the process of nutrition are performed by the specific organ or organ system. That means multicellular organism like fish, frog, humans, they have special organs to perform their nutrition or digestion, to perform the digestion process. What happened to the digested food? Now next topic is what happened to the digested food. After digestion, where the food is goes, or what happened to that food. Now we are discuss about in this topic where the digested food is goes, or what happened to that digested food. Now our body requires energy to carry out the various activities of life. We get this energy from the food we eat. That means we need energy to perform our life activities such as reading, writing, walking, everything. For everything we need energy, and we get this energy from the food that we eat. Now this happens during respiration, the process in which energy is produced from the digested food. This happens during respiration. That means our energy is produced during respiration. That means without oxygen we don't make our energy, or our body do not get energy without oxygen. The food which we eat is digested in the alimentary canal, but the alimentary canal alone does not require food. That means our alimentary canal digested the food, but the alimentary canal alone does not require food. That means our alimentary canal alone does not require food. That means our all body parts require food. How does the food reach to the different parts of the body from the head to the feet? Now, how our food, that means absorbed food, is reaches to our all parts of body. That means from head to feet. In this chapter, you have already learned that the digested food is absorbed by the small intestine and passed on to the blood. Our absorption is complete in small intestine. From the small intestine, our cells absorb our body absorbs the nutrients, and it mixes with our blood. And it mixes with our blood. From the blood, it carries to our all parts of our body. Through the blood, the absorbed food is carried to all parts of the body. Now your chapter is finished. I will give you some extra questions and you have to find it. Now my video is over.